This is one of the simplest trading strategies, but most traders still use it wrong. Many beginners sell when RSI goes above 70 or buy when it drops below 30. But in strong trends, that approach often fails. Hi, I'm Leo. Let me show you a simple RSI strategy that traders use to follow the trend instead. Let's open the Margex trading terminal and build this setup step by step. This strategy helps you trade pullbacks inside a trend instead of guessing tops and bottoms. First, open Bitcoin on the Margex chart. Choose a clean time frame like the 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Now click Indicators and search for RSI, Relative Strength Index. Add the standard RSI. We'll keep the default settings, period 14. But the key level we care about is 50. Most traders focus only on the 70 and 30 levels. But for trend trading, the 50 level is more important. When RSI is above 50, it usually means buyers control the market. When RSI is below 50, sellers are stronger. So instead of trying to catch reversals, we use RSI to confirm the direction of the trend. Let's look at a simple long setup. Price is trending upward and RSI stays mostly above 50. Then the market pulls back and RSI dips toward the 40 to 50 zone. This pullback often happens when traders take profits. The signal appears when RSI moves back above 50 and price starts rising again. That's where many traders look for a long entry. The short setup works the same way, but in reverse. Price is trending down and RSI stays mostly below 50, and the market pulls back upward. RSI moves toward 50 or slightly above. If RSI then drops below 50 again, that can signal a continuation of the downtrend. Now let's see how this looks on the Margex interface. When you identify a setup, choose your position size. For learning, it's better to start small and use low leverage, like 2x or 3x. If you want instant execution, click Market. If you prefer a better price, you can place a limit order. After the position opens, go to Open Positions. Click SL to set a stop loss below the recent swing low. Then click TP to set your take profit. Many traders aim for a 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. One common mistake is using RSI alone. In strong trends, RSI can stay high or low for a long time. That's why traders combine it with trend direction and price structure. Quick reminder, this video is educational, not financial advice. Leverage trading increases risk, so always manage your position size. If you want to see more trading strategies explained step by step on the Margex platform, subscribe to the channel.